At Study Skills, we're here to support you with all the core skills that underpin studying at university. Things like academic writing, critical thinking, managing your time, effective reading skills and taking notes, but also how to be an independent learner.
Everyone studying here is really intelligent, there's absolutely no doubt about that. But intelligence doesn't necessarily guarantee that you're really confident when you need to give a presentation, or that you understand the most effective ways of working as part of a group, or indeed that you understand what critical thinking is, or the best way to do it in practice.
Whether you're on a foundation all the way through to final year, PhDs, master's students, we see anybody from any course.
So firstly, we run drop-in sessions. These are basically informal sessions where we will be set up at a table with a student advocate. You don't have to book, and you can just basically sit down and say, I'm having this issue, or I would like to know more about this aspect of learning. We then run a bookable version of a similar service. So our tutorials are half-hour, one-to-one bookable appointments. You basically select which area of study skills you'd like more help with, or something you'd like to know more about. And basically we can sit down for half an hour and just work through and get to the bottom of whatever it is that you're worried about.
Beyond the one-to-one tutorials, we also run group workshops on a variety of different topics: critical thinking, critical writing, planning and structuring your work, and many more. These usually last for about 90 minutes, and they're based around sharing ideas with lots of different people.
We also have specialist support for maths. A lot of courses, even if you're not studying a maths degree, you have to do some calculations, some statistics, and we're here to help you build up your confidence with all of those skills.
All of this is found on the Blackboard page. If you go into Blackboard, up on the right-hand corner, there's a little tab that says Study Skills. You click on that and it will open up this wonderfully multicoloured page with lots of places to click on to open lots of support for essay writing, lab reports, critical writing, and there's some fantastic resources in there. If you are a part-time learner, if you are a distance learner, you can book into a one-to-one tutorial with one of us study skills support tutors from the comfort of your own home, okay, via a Collaborate service, which is all bookable on the Study Skills support page.
Now, you don't actually have to be on campus to access our support, because everything we do, our one-to-one tutorials and our workshops, we also do online. You don't need to install any special programs or software. All you'll need to do is click a link and you can join the sessions in your internet browser.